Production planning in the manufacturing industry can be very complex, which makes it challenging to meet delivery deadlines and avoid bottlenecks. Correctly allocating resources such as machines, equipment, and personnel, and minimizing production costs are essential. Specialized IT systems help meet this challenge. Vernio goes one step further. Their AI-driven software, Kayros, makes it possible to use production equipment and resources as efficiently as possible. In addition, Kayros dynamically adapts to the production situation, even at short notice. Kayros can be easily integrated into any ERP or MES IT system. The benefits are 50% less time spent on production planning, a more than 15% productivity increase, and lower overall production costs. Interested? Contact us at vernio.com.